this is hands down the best way to appreciate life. And it goes a deeper level. We're not going to be using our thinking mind, we're going to be using our feeling mind, also known as our heart. Now, to do this, it's important that everything you see around you, everything you hear, everything you taste, everything you touch, all your senses, all of these, there's an element of thinking. As in, let's say we're eating some soup, for example. You may think, wow, this is a really yummy soup. The moment you do that, you're actually coloring the experience, because now you're actually putting the experience in human words. And human words are too limited to actually give you that full experience of something. So instead of eating the soup and thinking, wow, this is yummy, just feel the soup rather than letting your conscious mind come into the place and think and place words limiting the actual experience of it. Another example, let's say you see a beautiful flower and you might be thinking, wow, this is such a beautiful flower. Now, the problem with that is that your conscious mind, your thinking logical mind, actually colors that flower and puts it into a limited human language box. It actually distorts the image of what it actually is. Instead of thinking of that flower being beautiful, what if instead you just felt it being beautiful? Think of the colors, or instead of thinking, feel the colors, right? Feel exactly what nature has created. Feel the experience rather than putting it into a human language box of what it is. And by doing this consciously, it takes years and years and years of practice, but by doing this consciously, we could tend to appreciate life and enjoy it at such a deeper level rather than putting a label, instead of putting a positive or negative charge into anything, and just accepting things as is, right? Just by knowing that, hey, this flower just is, you can actually appreciate it more rather than thinking, wow, this is a beautiful pink flower. Because that's too limited. That's not what it is. It's a lot more than that. It's unlimited. It's conscious. Try this exercise. Next time you do anything, eating something, feeling something, you're driving, right? Feel your steering wheel. Instead of feeling, wow, this is firm or this feels nice, just feel it with your heart rather than with your conscious mind. Do this with everything for as long as you can, as consciously as you can. And I promise you, you're going to absolutely transform the way that you approach life and the way you feel a different love for life. Now, if you want to get better at this, I have a handful of meditations on my channel. Check out this one.